Hi everyone, I've been waiting for a situation like this to actually happen for a long time because it's always been something that's been on my mind. How is best to teach people and deal with this situation? Let me explain. So I'm turning right at this set of lights, and because the lights have changed, I'm waiting behind the line. And in any case, I wouldn't have gone into the middle there because the taxi that's just turned in front didn't leave enough room so I could definitely clear. We should all follow and use the rule that if your exit road is not clear, you don't go, and that includes obviously when the lights are on green. But what is going to happen when the lights change? Well, my exit road's clear, so I'm going to go into the middle, and obviously we're giving way to oncoming cars. But as time goes on, more and more traffic turns from the opposite direction to their left, and the road that I'm going into starts to get full and eventually gets blocked. Could I have foreseen this? Could I have done anything different? And when the lights change, I'm then put in a situation. What do I do now? There is a space ahead that I could use. I could cancel my signal, check all around, and actually go and position behind the black car in front of me and then take a different route. I shouldn't wait where I am, because if I do, I'll be blocking the traffic from the right and to the left when they move. So what I choose to do when the van's cleared and I see the red one in front is signalling, I go and position as close as I can out the way to the left hand side behind the white car. I do this so it keeps the flow of the junction as clear as possible, which as you can see works well. Now the cars in front of me move up a little bit, I'm able to clear the junction properly. But should the black Kia, who entered the junction behind me and is doing the same thing as I did, have gone into the junction? Please let me know what you think in the comments, and also let me know if you think I could have done anything differently. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see everyone soon.